Hello guys, welcome back to Cooking with the Ley Sisters. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to make a healthy fried rice that is low in carbs and full of veggies. The main ingredient in this dish will be cauliflower rice. There are so many stores that sell cauliflower rice in the produce and frozen section. We personally like the frozen one because it lasts longer. Just make sure you buy the one that is pure cauliflower. Let's go over the ingredients that you will need to make this dish. 1 10-ounce bag of cauliflower rice. 2 mushrooms, we're using cremini mushrooms. 1/4 cup of frozen veggies, we're using carrot, peas, and green beans. 1/4 cup of frozen edamame. 1/4 cup of diced bell peppers, green onion, minced garlic, ginger, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Let's cook. In a skillet on medium heat, we will add some avocado oil and add the minced garlic and ginger. Make sure you keep mixing so the ginger and garlic don't burn. Next, we'll add the sliced mushrooms. Once the mushrooms have browned a bit, we'll add the bell pepper and frozen edamame. Since this dish will be mostly vegetable, the mushrooms and edamame will act as the protein to make this dish more filling. Next, we're going to add the veggie mixture of carrot, peas, and green beans. You want to keep mixing so the veggies don't burn. Now it's time to add the cauliflower rice. The good thing about this is that you can add it straight from the bag without having to thaw it. We'll keep stirring to cook the moisture out of the cauliflower rice. Now it's time to add the flavor to this fried rice. We'll start by adding 3 teaspoons of soy sauce and mix until the soy sauce is throughout the dish. Next, you'll season with half a teaspoon of black pepper. Since we're not using low sodium soy sauce, you don't need to add any salt. You can add the green onion, and we'll finish off the dish by adding 1 teaspoon of sesame oil to give it that special touch. Now you know how to make cauliflower rice. This dish yields 2 to 3 servings. It's perfect to make ahead of time and enjoy it for lunch throughout the week. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye!